Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya parino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasimule Zimbabwe tagwigirai nyaya yabuditswa neama za the late former president Robert Mugabe. Avarkunzi accepta Totenderai Mugabe uyo murume akagain attention mugora 2015 mushinonkunge akasungwa nekuenda kwakaenda pa State House achiclaima kuti mwana wa President Robert Mugabe. So according to the Standard, Totenderai Mugabe uyo akazvarwa musi waApril 20 mugora 1977 pachimoyo base kuMozambique during the liberation struggle. Arkunzi akazobuditswa mujeri mushure mekunge President Robert Mugabe, the late President Robert Mugabe, vapindira nyaya iyo ivo pachavo mune Zimbabwe. Zvirkunzi Mugabe akainstructa Tongai kuti aende unoacceptwa kukutama homestead nefamily ya Robert Mugabe. Kurunzi nyaya iyi yakanodiscusswa privately. So Mugabe arunzi I believe kuti Totenderai pamwechete namai vake Yuda Maheka vakainge vakafa kuchimoyo camp bombing si zvisina yakashamisika achirealize kuti vanga vachiri vapenyu. Maheka uyo akafa muna September musi 29 September mugore 1995 akazodeclarewa liberation war hero posthumously na President Robert Mugabe musi 18 July mugore 2016. So masources akataura ne the Standard akataura iye achiti Mugabe younger brother Chief Johannes Karigamombe Mugabe vanga varipo Totenderai paakaintroducwa kufamily ya Mugabe kwakutama Chief Karigamombe vakakonfirma nyaya iyi pavakakontaktwa ne the Standard. Vataura ivo vachiti vanoziva Totenderai zveshuwa achivuya kwakutama muri Zimbabwe chinzi zveshuwa akaintroducwa asi traditionally hapasati paitwa chivanhu chekuti awanikwa achigamuchirwa mumusha muri Zimbabwe. Vakaendera mberi zvakare vachiti kuna vana vakawanda vari kuuya vachiti vana vaMugabe, vamwe vachiuya vachida zvinhu zviri material zvinzi asi Totenderai uyu zveshuwa akaintroducwa navaMugabe. Chief Karigamombe Mugabe vakataura ivo vachiti Bona is the one ari kuendla nyaya yemaproperties the entire family hanzi but havana kunge vainformwa anything naBona. But the one anonzi Kaitano mutandi waMugabe mwana younger brother ya the late Robert Mugabe akataura achiye akafaila an affidavit achiacknowledge Totenderai Mugabe as part of the family. Kaitano akafaila for an affidavit rakawanikwa ne Standard achiconfirma kuti anga aripo zveshuwa Totenderai Mugabe paakaintroduced to the family by Mugabe's late sister Bridget. Vataura iye achiti akawitnessa this ceremony apo Totenderai paakaacceptwa by the family. Affidavit rake ainge akanyora achiti he accepts and takes younger brother yake Totenderai Mugabe as a member of the family. Achitaura iye achiti information ya Totenderai yakauya kare before sister ya Robert Mugabe tete Bridget vashaika muri Zimbabwe. Bridget Arunzi is the one akaintroduce Totenderai to his late father ku State House muri Zimbabwe zvinzi akawitnessa zvinhu izvi zvichiitika muZimbabwe. Zvakare mwana waBridget anonzi Laurencia akataura achiconfirmawo zvakare this issue yemwana waMugabe. Achitaura iye achiti zveshuwa paakaconfirmwa kunzi Totenderai mwana wa the late President Robert Mugabe. The story yakabuditswa nePindula News vachitaura ivo vachiti relatives of the late former President Robert Mugabe reportedly accepted Totenderai Robert Mugabe, a man who gained attention in 2015 after he was arrested for storming the State House, claiming to be Mugabe's son. The Standard reported sources as saying Totenderai, born on April 20, 1977 at Chimoyo base in Mozambique during the liberation struggle, was released after intervention from Mugabe himself. It is alleged that Mugabe instructed that Totenderai be taken to his Kutama homestead to meet the family, where the matter was privately discussed. Mugabe is said to have believed that Totenderai and his alleged mother, Yuda Maeka, had perished in the Chimoyo camp bombing. Maeka, who died on September 29, 1995, was posthumously declared a national hero, a liberation war hero by Mugabe on July 18, 2016. The sources added that Mugabe's younger brother, Chief Johannes Karigamombe Mugabe, was present when Totenderai was introduced to the family in Kutama. Chief Karigamombe confirmed this when contacted for comment by the Standard. He said, "I know him from his visits here, but there is nothing done traditionally on welcoming him. There are many children who later come saying they are Mugabe's children, but some are doing it so that they know their family line, and some are for material things." Chief Karigamombe Mugabe revealed that NaBona Mugabe, the executor of Mugabe's estate, had not informed the entire family about the execution of the property. Kaitano Mutandwa Mugabe, the son of Mugabe's younger brother, Donato, filed an affidavit acknowledging Totenderai Robert Mugabe as part of the family. Kaitano's affidavit, seen by the Standard, confirmed that he was present when Totenderai was introduced to the family by Mugabe's late sister Bridget. He said he witnessed the ceremony where Totenderai was accepted by the family. The affidavit reads, "In my capacity as the eldest son and family, I have accepted and taken my younger brother Totenderai Gabriel Mugabe aboard. Information that Totenderai is the son of Robert Mugabe came into our ears a long time before Tete Bridget, who is the last born of Mboya Bona, passed on. Tete Bridget is the one who introduced Totenderai to his late father at the State House. I also witnessed this as the father of the family, since all parents passed on. I have taken all the responsibilities, and he has already moved into the family." In her affidavit, Bridget's daughter, Laurencio, also confirmed Totenderai as Mugabe's son. She said, "We separated when the mother took the child to Comrade Fei Chang after the war. We thought he and his mother had died because we could not find him. Later on, he was found by my mother, Bridget Mugabe. He is the son of Robert Mugabe." Totenderai has approached the High Court seeking a share of Robert Mugabe's estate. DNA evidence has confirmed that he is a member of Mugabe's clan. His application is set to be heard this week. In his filing, Totenderai alleges that Bona has been trying to prevent him from benefiting from the state. He has named Bona the registrar of births and deaths and master of the High Court as the first to third respondent in the case. Totenderai is requesting a declaration for the reopening of Mugabe's estate to formally include him as a beneficiary. Tamabuditiro wakati nyaya imare Zimbabwe tinazotinona sei nyaya ituze zvamurufunga mu comment section.